This is your new Jair Ebike. Let's start assembling. Take all the accessories out of the small package and make sure it contains all those components. Long press the power button of the meter until the display turns on. Then the vehicle can be started. The meter displays data such as speed, total riding mileage, single riding mileage, power assist gear, battery power, etc. Only when your power assist gear is at least first gear, you can step on the pedal electric bicycle to move forward. The motor can provide power assist, and you can adjust the power assist gear through the instrument gear control button. The electronic control system will output the matching power according to the power assist gear you choose to achieve what you want for a boosting effect. If you have any warranty problems, please contact the email service at jairbikes.com. For business cooperation, please contact email marketing at jairbikes.com. Thank you for watching.